Hello student, welcome back to another lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use countable and uncountable nouns. Are you ready? Let's go!
But first, let's take an example.
Hello, what are you going to have for lunch today?
I have apples and bread. What about you?
I have some milk and an orange. How many apples do you have?
I have 2 apples. How much milk do you have?
I have a lot of milk. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Thank you. Can you guess which noun is countable in the examples? Apples, oranges, milk, or bread? As in the example, we have 2 apples and an orange are countable nouns. Milk and bread are uncountable nouns. So, what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns? Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted, such as 2 apples, an orange, or a sandwich. Conversely, uncountable nouns are things or food that cannot be counted. For example, air, liquid such as juice or water, and bread. There are several differences between the uses of these 2 types of nouns. Typically, when we ask about quantification of countable nouns, we use how many. But when it comes to uncountable nouns, we have to use how much. Likewise, when we say there's some of something, we have to use a few for countable nouns, but a little for uncountable nouns. It's interesting, right? Now, you know the difference, so let me ask you some questions. Are these countable or uncountable nouns? That's right, we have apples, sandwiches, and orange are countable nouns, while bread, milk, and flour are uncountable nouns. So now, which words will you use for the following sentences? How much, how many, a few, or a little?
To sum up, today we have learned that countable nouns are nouns that can be counted, such as apples, oranges, and sandwiches. Conversely, uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted, such as air, bread, flour, or liquid in general. Besides, we learned that we have to use how many and a few for countable nouns to talk about quantification, but how much and a little for uncountable nouns to express the same meaning. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you find this video useful and see you in the next video.